everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another synthetic wig review brought to you by OUTRE. I'm going to be reviewing Kimani, and she is a part of the Color Bomb series. This wig, as you can tell from the stock card, offers a variety of blonde mixes. The color that I have today is 3DRFF Butterfly Blonde. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what she looks like straight out of the box, and then we'll go ahead and get to styling her. So right out of the box, I am very impressed with the color blend with this unit. You guys know that I am a color junkie. I absolutely cannot resist a good color blend. The lace on this unit is a medium brown. It is already set as a left side part, and you do get baby hairs as you guys see. The cap construction is standard. You get 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, as well as adjustable straps. Now I will say that right out of the box, this unit was shedding, as you guys can tell. I was not a fan of that, and I hadn't even run my fingers through it. I literally was just running my hands down the unit, and I was getting a lot of shedding. I did go in and thoroughly brush through this unit to try to get rid of the excess shed hair. I also want to mention, as you guys can probably tell from my face, this unit is not big head friendly. But I will say that my hair was not flat underneath. So if you have a larger head on the medium large side, you're going to want to make sure that your hair is super flat under this wig because, girl, it was a struggle, okay? And I just want to let y'all know so you don't get a headache like I did, because, child, I was about to snatch this wig off my head. It was hurting so bad. So once I finally got the wig situated on my head, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my paddle brush just to brush out the curls. I want to mention that this wig does tangle just a little bit. It wasn't as bad as I anticipated, but I just wanted to let you guys know that it will shed and it will tangle. On me, this unit is about 22 inches long. It comes down past my chest, and I am 6 feet tall. And I'm also going to go in with my hot comb just to smooth down those baby hairs because I will not be using them, and go in around the parting space just to make it look a little bit more pronounced and flatten out those humps. This unit is heat safe up to 400 degrees, so going in with the heat tool is perfectly fine as long as you don't use excess heat and melt your wig, because that ain't cute. That's not the move. That's not what we're trying to do. So just be mindful when you're using any heating tool on a synthetic wig because you do not want to burn your wig. I will say that cutting the lace definitely added some relief, and it made the cap feel a lot better on my head. It was still snug. It still didn't fit me perfectly, but it wasn't squeezing my head like it was the entire time up until now. So if you have a bigger head like myself, obviously, like I mentioned, keep your hair flat underneath. That is partially my fault, but cutting the lace did help it feel a little bit better. So let's go ahead and get into this parting space. Now the part itself is really nice. You get about 4 inches, and it is not super tight, so you don't have to go in and pluck any if you don't want to. However, I wasn't happy with how it blended into my skin tone, and when I added my face powder like I do in every other video, it just kind of made the part look non-existent. So I went in with an eyeshadow, as you guys saw, and tried to blend that in, but I still wasn't really happy with how it was looking. So I did my foundation trick, and on the underside of the lace, I added some concealer, and then I added my own shadow root around the parting space with some darker brown eyeshadow, just to further make the parting space pop. So if you guys have trouble with this unit like I did, and the parting space kind of just blending into your skin tone and not really showing up, try that trick, and it did help a little bit, and I really don't mind how it's looking now. Overall, I do think that this wig is really pretty. I love the color blend, and aside from the few things that I mentioned, it's really a nice, pretty wig. I don't think that it's a must buy. If you would like to purchase this wig, I will leave a link down in the description box. Make sure you watch other wig reviews, because something negative that I have mentioned may be somebody else's positive, so that you can get a better idea before you go ahead and spend your money. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on this wig. Will you be purchasing her? Will you be passing? And if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that button. Turn on those notifications, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!